Liquor. News with Katrina Smith.
Welcome and good morning. Thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday. It's November 9th. I'm Katrina Smith, and the weather is about to take a serious turn. Meteorologist James DeFazio is in the Weather Center, and we are talking about snow in the forecast moving into the week.
We're looking at our first widespread snowfall. It looks like we're all going to see our first snowflakes of the season. It's going to be a little bit uncertain for a few more model runs for us to give you exact forecast amounts for the snow for next week, but just expect snowy conditions Monday night into Tuesday. Today, gloomy conditions with rainy skies. We're going to have plenty of rain. It's going to arrive primarily during the afternoon, but we have a couple of light showers working through right now. We avoided the worst in the way of the wintry mix that we had been talking about overnight last night. The cutoff line for the freezing mark is just north of Old Forge, with Old Forge at 34 degrees, Saranac Lake, the cold spot, at 28, Watertown still seeing some snow at 30 degrees. It's 40 degrees with cloudy skies at Griffith and Rome. We're going to yet again see breezy conditions. These light showers will continue to work throughout the morning, otherwise just cloudy conditions. Today we're tracking this rain. It's going to be steady at times during the afternoon and evening, possibly even a rumble of thunder. Highs in the upper 40s. We'll break down the snow chances as well as your week ahead forecast coming right up. Katrina?
Thank you so much, James. Well, today is day.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist James DeFazio.
Good Sunday morning. A bit of a dreary start to the day, and that's really what we're looking at for our Sunday. We're going to see rainy, blustery conditions this afternoon and evening, possibly even a rumble of thunder later tonight. Take a look at downtown Utica, where you can get a scene for just how overcast the sky is right now. It's dry at the current moment in downtown Utica. It's not going to stay that way, though. There are scattered showers working in, and they're very close to being working their way into the city. Heaviest of rain arrives later tonight. Showery, blustery weather today. Widespread rain for the second half of the afternoon and for the entirety of the evening tonight. And then lake effect snow is likely Monday into Tuesday. We're going to have snow maps out later tonight with exact amounts. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar showing that we have those scattered showers just to the south of the valley lifting northward. We'll begin to see some rain break out across Utica and Rome over the next 30 to 45 minutes. Some more scattered showers back to the west. We continue to keep an eye on this area of low pressure spinning out in the Ohio River Valley. Continues to work east-northeast, and this is going to continue to bring us widespread rain showers later in the afternoon. It continues to stay blustery. We continue to see breezy conditions both Sunday and Monday. I have the orange in the wrong spot here. We'll get that fixed. Breezy conditions Sunday and Monday. Windy Tuesday. Breezy conditions continue on Wednesday. A look at the bigger picture showing that we have a warm front associated with that area of low pressure that's helping bring that moisture in our direction today. But it's a cold front that works through later this evening that brings us that heavy widespread rainfall. Behind that cold front, our coldest air of the season. We start Monday morning dry, but we see flurries during the day because it is going to be quite chilly with temperatures in the 30s. As we head towards Tuesday, Monday evening into Tuesday, that northwest wind in behind the wake of the cold front, we're going to see lake effect snow break out across all of central New York. As of right now, we're still thinking that the highest amounts, the highest accumulation, the areas most likely to see accumulating snow are north of the Mohawk Valley. The highest totals will be across the Tug Hill Plateau. Do believe all of us see a little bit of snowfall, though. Scattered showers today, otherwise cloudy weather. That widespread rain arrives late afternoon, early evening, continues through the overnight, and then we begin Sunday with cloudy conditions. A look at your 7-day forecast. We're changing seasons tonight, unfortunately. Very, very chilly weather to begin the week. Scattered snow showers on Monday. Scattered lake effect snow showers. Steadier on Tuesday. Some accumulating snow. Northwest flow keeps showers in the forecast for Wednesday and Thursday as well. A very unsettled week. And Katrina, do you have any guesses?
I have no idea,
One
but
of
when
my
I don't
favorite
know, I
songs.
check with our director, and it's Tom, and he believes it's a nor'easter thanks to a song.
That would be that's why I did the question, because I figured everybody would assume that, and it was not.
Okay.
It was actually a mid-latitude cyclone, which is very similar to the system that's moving in today from the Ohio River Valley. It tracked up from Oklahoma, went right up over Lake Superior.
Okay.
And it didn't actually ever work up the coast or form a nor'easter or have a northeast wind consistently. It didn't have nor'easter characteristics.
But
25-foot waves. Wow. On a Great Lake, 25-foot waves.
That's huge. That's huge even on an ocean.
Yeah.
How does the song go? You don't have to sing it.
The legend lives on from the Chippewa on down, from the big lake they call Gitchagumi.
I love it. I didn't expect you to actually know it. Thank you so much, James. Moving along, a power-filled display of... Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. I'll get you over to the Weather Center with meteorologist James DeFazio because he is tracking some actual significant snow for some, potentially.
Yes, primarily across the Tug Hill Plateau. They look to see the heaviest of the accumulations Monday night into Tuesday. But we all look to see a little bit of snowfall. Our first true taste of winter Monday night into Tuesday. And we're going to have a snowfall map out later today with exact amounts. But for now, let's talk about today. We're tracking a very showery day. We have an area of low pressure tracking over the Great Lakes. And it's going to bring us plenty of rain showers through the morning, a little bit of a break during the early afternoon, and then widespread rain returns this evening. We were a little bit worried about a wintry mix last night, but fortunately, temperatures stayed quite mild across the Mohawk Valley and even across the North Country, even north of everywhere from Old Forge south, seeing above freezing temperatures at this time. Watertown and Saranac Lake are the exceptions. 40 degrees with cloudy skies. Blustery conditions return yet again this afternoon. Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 live radar showing these showers working into central New York. And again, we're going to see these rain showers on and off throughout the day today. We could even hear a rumble of thunder later this evening, right around dinner time. It would be late afternoon, early evening. Coming up, we'll break down your forecast for your upcoming week. Katrina?
Thank you so much, James.
Tonight at 6 with Chief Meteorologist Bill Carter. So used to saying James. Unbelievable. I knew I was going to do that.
Here I am.
It's a snow map. You came with a treat for me.
Yes, unfortunately, I came with I guess you would call it a treat. We're talking about Monday night. And in fact, we're leading with Monday night here because I've got new information. The snowfall map, this is what we're thinking for Monday night. Several inches of accumulation north and west of Utica in a slippery morning commute for several spots, and our first widespread accumulating snow of the season. So we'll talk more about that coming up. Tonight, it's rain, and we're not dealing with any slippery conditions. The rain is going to continue with scattered showers overnight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. And yes, if you heard thunder, that was thunder today. You weren't hearing things. We're looking at rain turning to snow showers tonight. Again, little accumulation tonight. A couple of snow showers Monday, but again, tracking lake effect snow for Monday night. I'm timing this out, and we're going to take a closer look at the Tuesday morning commute. And that's coming up. Ben, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you very much. Former staffer for Congress.
The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're continuing to track a few rain showers. Cold air is going to be arriving this week, and we're also tracking our first chance of widespread accumulating snow for many of us here in Central New York. Let's take a live look at downtown Utica. It's a wet night. We've seen a wind. We've also seen thunderstorms this afternoon with some locally heavy rain. It's all part of a cold front that's moving through, and we're going to be seeing a few showers here heading into this evening. The bulk of the rain's done, but again, a couple lingering showers tonight. This is a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A reminder, you can always get weather alerts to your phone by downloading our Storm Tracker 2 weather app. The winds are going to continue throughout the course of this week. Tuesday looks to be the windiest day of the next 7. Breezy conditions as we look ahead to Wednesday and Thursday. Skywatchers checking in. Temperatures are above freezing. Whitesboro 46, Micah, New Hartford 43, West Leiden 36. And again, the bigger picture shows low pressure that's going to be swinging through as we head into tonight. We're going to wrap in some cold air. We'll see snow showers tomorrow. And then as the winds align into the northwest, that will cause some lake effect snow to develop as we head into tomorrow night. Now, during the day tomorrow, there will be snow showers around. We're expecting a general trace to an inch of accumulation. I'm not expecting any issues on the roads during the day, but don't be alarmed if you see snow. I think it's going to be happening for a good portion of the afternoon. And again, no significant accumulation is expected. Walking you through Skycast again tonight, overnight lows drop down into the low 30s. Rain comes to an end. Cloudy to start Monday. Snow showers will be moving in during the afternoon and evening. Again, I don't foresee this causing a problem with temperatures generally above freezing. The ground's still pretty warm, so I don't think this will be a problem, at least during the daytime. At night, it's going to be a different story, though, because temperatures will fall below freezing. The winds align off of Lake Ontario, and this produces lake effect snow Monday night into Tuesday. The Tuesday morning commute could be slippery in spots, and that lake effect snow will eventually come to an end as we head into Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. This is the first call here. I really want to emphasize this because I think there's going to be another zone that's higher here in this blue, but there's not enough confidence to draw that yet. So this is the general idea, 1 to 2 inches of snow for Utica, Little Falls. South of the Mohawk Valley, a trace to an inch. But again, in this blue zone, Camden, Rome, Boonville, 2 to 5 inches or more. And again, we will continue to keep you updated. We'll have another round of data tonight and tomorrow. We'll make adjustments if we need to, and we probably will. Rain and snow showers tonight, low of 32. Tomorrow, snow showers, 35. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. It's cold for the first part of the week. Again, accumulating snow Monday night. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, temperatures will be in the 30s, and we'll have rain and snow showers here Wednesday and Thursday. I'm not expecting any slippery spots here. Friday, cloudy, 38, some sunshine as we look ahead to the weekend. We'll be right back. Good evening, Ben. Good evening, everyone. We are tracking a big change in the weather this week. It's going to get a lot colder, and we have some snow chances. And I'm going to start out by talking about Monday night into Tuesday. Lake effect snow is expected, and there is expected to be accumulation, especially north and west of Utica. At this point, it looks like an inch or two for Utica. Rome, 2 to 5 inches. Boonville, Camden, 2 to 5 inches. And then a trace to an inch of snow from the Route 20 corridor south. Again, this is just the preliminary numbers here tonight. Rain turns to snow showers tonight, a low temperature of 32. We're expecting some light snow showers tomorrow. Not a big issue here, but again, some slippery spots Monday night into Tuesday, especially for the Tuesday morning commute. I've got to look at how that plays out, along with how long this chilly weather is going to stick around. A look at the forecast that's coming up. Ben, back to you.
All right, Bill, thank you very much. A former staffer.
Weather with Bill Curtis, weeknights on News Channel 2, where the news comes first. The WKTV Tower Cam is brought to you by the Central Association for the Blind and Visually Impaired. From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Curtis.
Good evening. We're tracking some much colder weather and some accumulating lake effect snow as we head into Monday night. Let's take a look in downtown Utica. It's been a dreary day today. Plenty of clouds, plenty of rain, even some thunder in the afternoon time. And a reminder, you can always get our Storm Tracker 2 weather app. Today, the app was sending out notifications being close to lightning. If you're within a few miles of lightning, you'll get a notification that lightning was detected along with heavy rain. So it is helpful to know that, especially if you hear thunder, you're wondering what that is. The app will confirm that. And again, it's free to download. Breezy conditions expected over the next several days. Tuesday looks to be the windiest of the stretch. Again, we're getting into that time of the year. Low pressure continues to swing through tonight. And we're going to get on the colder side of this tomorrow as the winds turn into the northwest. And as we look to the west, there is plenty of snow, a combination of widespread snow along with lake effect snow, and this is all heading in our direction. Thankfully, it's going to be pretty light. We will see widespread snow on Monday. A trace to an inch of accumulation is expected. The rain turns to snow tonight, and it's light throughout the day. And again, no significant impacts are expected. A lot of this is going to melt as it hits the ground, especially on the roadways, with temperatures being generally above freezing during the day. But then that changes tomorrow night as temperatures fall below freezing and the snow starts to pick up in intensity. Walking you through Skycast again tonight, any lingering showers come to an end. We're looking at dry, cloudy weather to start out Monday. 8 a.m. temperatures in the low 30s. Monday afternoon, snow showers will start to arrive. Again, it's light, it's widespread, it doesn't cause any issues. Monday night after sunset will fall below freezing and lake effect snow is expected to develop. The bands come off of Lake Ontario, the general wind direction is northwest, and that means the Mohawk Valley and the North Country will be seeing accumulating snow heading into Monday night and Tuesday. Throughout Tuesday, things start to weaken. It's not going to be consistent throughout the day, and we will see some on and off snow showers, but the bulk of this, at least the problems with this, would be associated with the Tuesday morning commute. I think the Tuesday evening commute looks a lot easier compared to the Tuesday morning commute, especially in areas north and west of Utica. That's where the bulk of this is going to accumulate. This is a look at the early snowfall numbers here, and this is subject to change, and I'll explain why in just a second. A trace to an inch of snow for the Route 20 corridor in Point South, 1 to 2 inches for Utica, 2 to 5 inches Camden, Rome, Boonville. There are still some question marks as to exactly where that heavier band of snow ends up setting up. And again, we'll have additional information and updates here over the next 24 hours. Rain turns to snow showers tonight, low of 32. Snow showers tomorrow, 35. Lake effect snow tomorrow night. Temperatures will be in the 30s for Veterans Day. Wednesday and Thursday, rain and snow showers. Cloudy